We call it a Swa-nirbhar urja kit, self-reliant power kit. This kit provides electric power for room illumination, power for radio entertainment, and power for bio-wood gas stove which produce 90% less smoke, consume 60% less wood, and 50% less cooking time throughout the year without any seasonal effect. Power generator produced power by pulling and loosening the string. Even small children, women, and elder person can operate it easily. It is like a cradling the small child. Lantern for 4 hours, cooking power for 2 hours, and radio entertainment for 3 hours. If you put more power, you can run additional lantern. If battery is damaged, you can use this power directly also. This kit is an ideal solution during natural disaster like earthquake and floods. Need very small electric power. You can use small pieces of any bio-waste dry cow dung. This bio-wood stove generates maximum 3 kilowatt heat. The flame of stove can be controlled by the small regulator.